Hi, my name is Deepak and you are watching to Tech Vigorous. In this digital world, each and every one of us are connected through digitally. So in this current scenario, each one of us wanted to have our own website. If you are even a small business, you want to show your business through a website. If you are a student or if you are a job person, you want to create your own website where you can show your own profile to the world. You can have your profile digitally in the form of website. So if anyone want to know about you, you can just share your digital profile with them in the form of website. So, but what happens that when it's come to creating a website, we think that we need to do a lot of investment for it, and by thinking that we take our steps back. But today I'm gonna show you a way using which you can create a website and host it with zero cost. Yes, you heard it absolutely correct. Today I'm gonna show you a way using which you can create your website and host it with the zero cost. So how we can go do that is we are gonna use the feature of Git. Yes, so the Git have come with one of the feature, it's called GitHub Pages. So we will be utilizing the feature of GitHub Pages and we will be creating our own website with zero cost. So if you also want to create your own website with a zero investment, be with me for next few minutes and I will teach you how you can create and host your own website with the zero costing. So for that purpose, I have already created my GitHub account. I hope you all of you will have your own GitHub account. If you don't have, just go to github.com and do a sign up. You just so I have already created my account and logged in. I'm gonna do, I am going to create one repository where we can store our website code. So we have to just click on the new keyword, but now you have to give a repository name. So repository name should be same as username. So suppose take an example here. I have my username as take vigorous. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna copy my repository name. So what you have to do, you have to write your repository name dot, you have to write github.io. So this is the pattern you have to follow for your repository name. You can, I'm gonna create my repository with my the username dot github.io. The other thing is that you have to make this repository as public. If you are making this repository as private, you will not be able to host your website. For if you want to host a website with your private repository, in that case, you need to take the premium subscription of GitHub. But because we are talking here to create our website with the zero cost, I'm gonna choose my repository as public. I'm just going to create my repository. So once I click on the create repository, now we will see got created already. Going to create and file through this web interface itself. The file name I'm going to give as index.html. I think if you all are aware about the index.html is the first file which is loaded by the browser. So for that purpose, I'm just creating a basic file saying that index.html. I have already just created on sample HTML code. I'm gonna put this code inside my file and I'm going to commit this file. So now if you will see my file is created, I have created one file by name saying that index.html and it just contains some of the basic HTML tags. After that, now the main thing come, now we have to host our website. So for hosting purpose, what we have to do that you have to go to the settings tab. Inside the setting tab, what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down in the setting tab and there you will see an option saying that GitHub Pages. So what you have to do is that in if you are in the latest version, it will be by default enabled because I have done that setting. So what will happen that now inside the GitHub Pages, because I have my code in the master branch and because I created my index.html inside the root directory itself. So I'm selecting it root over here and then you will see my That's all. My repository have been hosted at this location. So what you have to do, just copy this address and go and paste into the browser. And once you will paste it into this, see, now our website is live and it's getting hosted. So it is very simple to create your own website and host it into the web using GitHub Pages. As you said, it's a with the zero cost. We have not invested 1 rupees at all. Hope this was informative for you all, and you will also be creating your own website and hosting it free. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting an update of the latest video whenever I will be posting it. And please like the video and share with your friend if you feel it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.